guys, it's me Risa. So even though I'm home with a injury after a fall at work, yes, I'm seeing my doctor. Yes, I'm going for physio. I'm going to schedule some massages, going to my cousin's whirlpool and sauna and pool. But the other part of getting better and on your health journey is, meal prep. And even if I'm at home, to stay on track and focused, I love to make my salads. I don't eat them for dinner usually. I like to change things up, but I do love a good salad, and I change them up regularly for lunches. And the odd occasion I do have one for dinner. So, what do I have in them? A variety of different veggies. I change that up as I said, but I have actually romaine that's hiding underneath, kale, carrots, red onion, yellow pepper, cucumber. You can see on this one that I have coleslaw mix, and there's also a broccoli mix that's also hiding. This one has my veggies all cut up. And I don't add tomatoes in the ones that I'm keeping in the fridge until I actually eat them. I leave those on the counter. But I keep my veggies whole so they don't get mushy. And I think I've said this before. I don't like mushy vegetables. And I don't make more than 2 to 3 salads, or everything gets kind of brown, and I don't like that. I like to look at a beautiful, fresh, glowing salad, which is appetizing. Love my cucumbers. And for protein, I have some chickpeas that are super delicious, lower salt ones that I found at Walmart. And I'm boiling up some eggs as well. So, again, high protein, good carbs, good fats. I haven't decided my dressing yet. Sometimes I just like to use balsamic. I have this balsamic that I got at Muskoka. And sometimes I add, I got this one, which is a white balsamic cranberry pear, which is delicious, and a black fig. But I change it up. I make lots of different dressings, and I even I love the Green Goddess. So, again, it's versatile. Sometimes I like to add different nuts and seeds in it as well. Even some bran for crunch. That's like a crouton. I do that as well sometimes, depending on how I'm feeling, and if I want that extra crunch. Adds flavor and satisfaction. So again, there are so many different salads out there, and I like to experiment, use your imagination. So I hope this helps you stay on track, and no matter what you're going through, people, trust me, this has been a really hard year for me, and I know that I had to look after myself. I have to look after myself, put myself first as a priority, and so do you. If you're no good to yourself, you're not going to be any good to anybody else, okay? So, meal prep, meal plan, grocery shopping, it's work, but you can do this. I did 141 pounds down, and feeling great. You can do this. All right. Love you guys. Hope this helps you. Let me know. And Risa Weiner YouTube for lots more videos.